loading. Okay, because I closed this. But let's do this with through the Docker so that you will see that what you can do. So now what you can do, just simply sudo apt install docker.io. First of all, we will have to install the Docker. So just hit enter and it will take a little bit time to install the Docker. Okay. So after this, what we're going to do, we are just simply, we don't have any Docker file now. So we'll have to create a Docker file. So to create a Docker file, just simply vim Dockerfile. Okay. And in this Docker file, we're going to write down the like what we need to do to build this application. So first of all, we're going to give the base image, I mean the node image. So just simply it will download and install the node. So we just put the, it will download the node, the slim version. Okay. And after that, okay, we can also comment it out, like use the node image, something like this. Okay. Then also the next one is actually we are going to set the into the slash that this slash app as the working directory. Okay. So just simply work dir slash app. Then what we're going to do, then we're going to actually copy this, copy the create products app into the work dir, right? So we are going to actually copy all the create products, the app into the work directory. So for that, what we'll do, just simply copy dot means everything, then slash app inside the app directory. Okay, then what we're going to do, just we are going to simply install all the dependencies. So install the dependencies. Okay, and to install the dependencies, what is the command? Like run npm install. Okay, then also you can put the expose, I mean which port we're going to expose. So just simply expose the port. So just for that expose 4000, and then what we're going to do, we're going to just simply put the command like to run the, I mean the start the application. So just simply application, so cmd, then here we can put like this npm comma start. Okay, so then after this, what we're going to do, we're going to save and quit this, and after that what we'll have to do, we'll have to build this Docker image. So to build this Docker image, what we're going to do, sudo docker build, this is the command. And after that, we'll just simply put the -t means the tag, and then we can put any tag here. So just simply we can put here a backend slash image colon v1 version 1 and dot. So it will just build everything into the backend image colon v1 is the version 1. Okay, we are giving a tag here and hit enter. So it is just simply building. So after it's building, it's actually building everything based on whatever I have written on the uh, Docker image, that file. So it's, see, you can see everything it's doing from here. It's pulling that node from the slim, and then it's actually pull it, and then it's downloaded it, and also it's actually copy, then it's install the dependencies, okay, and it's exposed. So if I just simply sudo docker images, here we can see that here we have the backend image and the node. See, just 11 seconds ago it's just created, okay, and this one is their node one. So it's their last version and is I mean updated into the 9 hours ago, the last the image, so that's why it's showing that created 9 hours ago. Anyway, so now what we're going to do, now we are going to actually tag this with our sudo docker tag backend image v1 with our account, this is my username, okay, okay. So I'm just tagging this, then what I'm going to do, then after that I'm just simply log into my account. So for that I just log in, okay. If I show you again the images, so here you can see, okay, so I'm going to actually uh work on this, work on with this one. So first of all, just log in, so give me username. So I will have to put my username of my Docker Hub. So if you don't have any Docker Hub account, so you can create from the hub.docker.com, okay. So from here you can just simply sign up, and with your information, then you are just able to sign in here. That's it. So there you will get a username, and also you will have your own password to log in into the Docker Hub. So I will have to give just exactly my username and the password of this Docker Hub account, because inside that I'm going to push it. Okay. So just simply, this is my username, and let's put my password. Okay, so here you can see that login is succeed. So that means I have logged in successfully. Then just simply push it. So just simply give the exactly the tag name, exactly the repository name. So this is my repository name. Just simply, and with the version v1, and hit enter. So as it is available here, so it is going to push on the Docker Hub. Okay, so now here if I show you just here, if I click on this, see, so it's right now it is here, just 2 minutes ago, create products backend, this one we are working, right? Okay, so it's pushed successfully. Now what we're going to do, just simply we are going to run this, okay, because we have to run this image so that we will be able to run the application. So to do this, sudo docker run dash p, p means port. So we're going to expose into the 4000, then give call the repository name. So just simply create products backend v1, right, this one. So hit enter. So it's running. So now if I go to my what it calls my browser again, just simply copy my IP address and paste it here, and colon 4000, hit enter. Yep, now it's working again, API running. And also after that, if I slash docs, so it is also showing the Swagger. So as I gave you the IP address and that one, you can try it again, and it will work from your machine. And here you can see it's showing me the data from the database also. Okay. So this is also how we can actually Dockerize. And now I can show you another thing. That one is Like I have Dockerized that, and the advantage of Dockerizing that application, what I can do. Let's create another instance here.
Are you going to Dockerize the front end?
No, like just today we're going to work on only the back end,
Okay.
and yeah, that's the plan for today. Okay. So now I'm going to create another instance. So just to give the instance name is like um uh, ecom like 2. Okay, let's say uh, the one, let's say. Then just select Ubuntu, and then T2 macro. Just I'm going to select the same keep here. Okay, I don't need to create another one. And then just simply make it all traffic. Then click clear launch the instance. Okay. So after this, just view all the instance. Just take a little bit time to run it. Let's see to SSH. Okay. So here, what we can do, we can see that there is nothing inside this instance, right? Even we are not going to clone the project. So first of all, we're going to just simply install the sudo apt install docker.io, just installing the docker. Sudo. First of all, we have to update the package sudo apt update. Okay. Then what you can do, just simply install the docker. Sudo apt install docker.io. Okay. Then I'm going to log in my Docker Hub. Remember, so just simply I'm going to log in here. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just to go, I can pull the image, or I can directly run the image. So it will pull automatically and it will run. So for that, just simply run the command sudo do, docker run -p. And even if you want to expose into another port, you can do, or you can just simply 4000, and then give the repository name v1. So what it will do, it will actually pull the image from my Docker Hub account, because I have already there, as I showed you, right? So it will pull it from here, then it will build and it will run based on the Docker image, that Docker file, and it will actually expose, it will run the application. So hit enter. You see, first of all, it is looking for the locally, because inside this machine I don't have any image, so it says that unable to find it. So then it went to the Docker Hub, then it pull it, and then it's just working. Okay, so it started and it's running. So now what I can do, just simply I can go to my new instance, just copy this, paste it here, go to the 4000 and hit enter. See, it's running, and go to the docs, and also the Swagger is working also. So see, so this is the benefits of the Dockerize. You don't need to even clone the project. You don't need to install or do anything else there. Just simply uh, install the Docker, then log into the your Docker Hub account, and then just simply run the image